One of the key assets you acquired through the NSN BSS assets was the integration with social media. Can you talk about the importance of real-time as it relates to being able to enable a carrier to launch campaigns through all social media channels?
Yes, so we acquired a great footprint of customers with real-time rating charging, and I think the investment was made also to really drive from our side Twitter, and from the acquired asset was also a lot of Facebook capability. And we felt that a lot of the new segments in our customer footprint really look for Facebook as being a primary gateway for them to consume and educate themselves about offers which weren't through the self-care portals, but rather through Facebook. So we are rolling out for our customers that really the number one, customers can do everything they can do with interaction with their service provider through Facebook. Number two, they can get offers, real-time offers, which become available through the device, like smartphone, through SMS, or through your iPad. But when you subscribe to them, you can share it on your wall on Facebook, so that your colleagues, your friends on Facebook, with one click, can subscribe to the same promotion. That's a very powerful viral effect, and you as a marketing manager can see that real time on your dashboard, and you can start adjusting the promotions to see how you can tune the different aspects to attract for different segments. And it becomes a very powerful capability as a closed feedback loop for the marketing brand managers in service providers. And I think this is why I talk about always merchandising the services as opposed to purely serving a subscriber base.
Can you talk about how you're able to start with, maybe perhaps through your partnership with Microsoft and Microsoft CRM, to actually start using social media as a care project?
Correct. So this is actually even more powerful. We've been working now with Microsoft for 4 or 5 years, and we felt that we wanted to leverage the state-of-the-art CRM platform that we have built upon to create a service provider specific capability where they can go from a dealer, the corporate store, self-care, but use the same database to drive in inputs for Twitter and drive the interaction with Facebook. And we have found that the platform is very powerful. We get a lot of leverage from the R&D that Microsoft invests, lots of scalability, but more importantly, what this allows us to do for the service provider is that they get full social integration at a minimal cost to them from a technology leverage perspective, but also we can serve it to them both on the premise, the classical. We can virtualize it as a multi-private cloud implementation for multiple countries, multiple languages, or we can do everything through Azure. And I think for us, that means that if operator wants, they have a big investment in existing infrastructure, we get to interwork with them, because we have found that Microsoft now interacts with many of the players, being Salesforce or Oracle. But also we can then, for segments of subscribers, we can offer capability as end-to-end capability for really the sophisticated, highly demanding subscriber segments, where they want to have full control end-to-end within our stack. So that creates the best of both worlds for service providers, with a great business models of either buy on-premise, but more likely people might want to do it software as a service, especially for the new segments like LTE.